If you were ever curious what it looks like inside your sewing machine, well, you can look inside this one I'm working on right now. This is a Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. So there's the main board. There's the motor that moves everything. This is your hook area where the stitches are formed. There's your feed motor down there that controls feed movement. Up here's your upper tension with your tension discs. Your winder assembly. There's the power module back here. It's got a nice sturdy frame. It's really good to have a nice solid metal frame on the inside of your sewing machine. If the sewing machine's too light, look for something a little heavier. Alright, until next time.